since we wanted to be together, why not go ahead and get married and fight for our right? At that point in time, there were very few states that allowed gay marriage, so we decided to go to the District of Columbia. It was very meaningful for us to get married there because that's where our government is and that's where the laws are made. So we felt that, if we wanted to be advocates and speak up and have a voice, it would be a really good place to do it in Washington, D.C. We hope that, we can bring about some change. We're a couple just like any other couple that is just looking to be together and start a family, and we have the same hope and dreams that anybody else does. We want to travel and we want to be able to go visit his family, possibly have children, and just look forward to the rest of our lives together. Unfortunately, at this point, we don't really know how that's going to happen until DOMA gets repealed. So I've basically petitioned for Daniel to get citizenship or to get residency. That was denied. So my petition for Daniel was denied on the basis of the Defense of Marriage Act, which basically states that marriage is only between a man and a woman. Right now, there's a case, or two cases going up towards the Supreme Court that are challenging this legislation, and we're hopeful that this law is going to be repealed, and once the law is repealed, then I can offer Daniel immigration benefits, along with 1,000 other benefits that at this point, because we are a gay couple, we do not receive. So it's not just immigration benefits, it's many other benefits, Social Security, and end of life, God forbid something would happen to me, Daniel would not be able to, take care of this home or have any other benefits. So there's a lot of benefits at this point that we do not receive. Daniel's unable to work. He's unable to drive, so we live our lives pretty much on hold. We're worried that if he was to drive a car, he gets pulled over, he can be put into deportation proceedings. We really don't know what can happen, so until this law isn't repealed, we're pretty much in a standby situation. In our mind, the law will get repealed. There is no, it won't get repealed. This is a discriminatory law. It's unconstitutional in our mind, and we're going to continue to fight until it is repealed one way or another. If the Supreme Court decides that it's not unconstitutional, we will take it up with Congress. We'll do whatever we can as a married couple to have the United States government recognize our marriage. We're really hopeful that the Supreme Court will decide in our favor because I think they're going to be on the right side of history. But if they don't, the fight will continue. We're not going to give up. We want to live in this country as a U.S. citizen. I think that's my right. And a law that discriminates just has no room in our country or in our government.